Guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes and this is a Honda CB1000R Plus. As you can see guys, you will definitely stand out from the crowd on this custom paint scheme, absolutely stunning. With it being a Plus model, you do get the seat cowl, you do get the aluminium bits. The aluminium bits themselves again have been painted by the custom paint scheme. It's got the aftermarket exhaust system and decat, it's had an ECU remap, it's got the GR engine protection on there, tail tidy, quick shifter. In regards to the bike itself, it is a full digital display and you can change the power modes. It's in sport at the moment, full power, you can adjust the power, the engine brake and the traction control systems. You've got all the little buttons and bits and bobs there just to adjust everything. You've got the bar end mirrors on there, the screen finishes off an absolutely gorgeous bit of kit. It's a 2020 69 plate and it's only done 2,277 miles. Guys, if you are looking for a bike to stand out from the crowd, this is the bike for you. In order to get it purchased, you pop down to Jordan Bikes, you just simply give us a call. Thanks very much.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.